What's up? So I just got off work. What time is it? 6:50 a.m. on a Tuesday. So yesterday, I had one of my good buddies go pick me up a little present. I paid him to go to Cleveland and pick me up a new stand-up. I'm excited about it. I'm meeting him at this gas station this morning, and we're gonna find out what it is. So stay tuned. I'm sure you already noticed it's probably gonna be the title of this video. But after I bought that JS 550, I rode it, I loved it, had to get something newer. So here we go. Rowdy. There he is, dude. Pulling in that dope Cummins. Hey. See you back there? Hell yeah, dude. So there it is. 2005 Kawasaki SRX 800. I got it. Pretty good deal, I'd say. 3,500 bucks from over in over Ohio, Cleveland area, like East Side Cleveland. No, I'm pretty okay with that. There's a 04 model year on Facebook. It just came up in Indy for 5,200 bucks. So, and this thing's pretty nice. It starts right up, no problems. So later today, I'm gonna go get some sleep because I work night shift. I gotta get some sleep. Then I'm gonna get up and take her on the lake. Me and Bobby are going out. So stay tuned. We'll be up soon, brother. Ready? All right, there it is. 2005 Sxr 800. Not a bad looking little toy. I made this little cart for it, or for my JS, but the only problem is this right here. I think I could fix that. So it's already got an R&D ride plate. You can see that. I'm pretty sure it's got an intake rate as well. I don't know if that's stock or not, but no. Maybe get a starter up real quick. This little key in there. All right. Flip that little switch. No, it's been sitting a while, so I think I need some new gas. It smells pretty good, but no, heck yeah, dude. We're taking it to the lake later, so stay tuned. What's up? Got it loaded up, dude. Bobby's up there, can't see him. He's got his trailer and his XP, so I gotta stop by the gas station. I'm gonna stop by Subway because I'm hungry. I just woke up. We're gonna get it. Ready? Oh shit. Well, just got by a T-bone. I don't pay attention. But yeah, Jesse's in the bag. I just filled up a 5-gallon can. Mixer 50 to 1. Even though it says 60 to 1, I'm going 50. 60 sounds a little low on lubrication, if you know what I'm saying. But picking me up a Subway. Hey, on the way, brother. Here we go, boys. Bobby's getting put in. I'm just gonna pull mine down there on the little cart, but here we go, dude. Lake's right out there. Are you gonna be able to hear me talk? Oh, you don't have a thing, do you? I got a good phone thing. Oh, this thing's already, oh, shit. Yeah, I need your help now. I can't swim out there with this. All right. I thought I had it up there good. I was trying to adjust it. I feel like it's pointing down. Yeah. Dude, it was up here, you dick.
I don't even know how I'm gonna get it.
Hey, just come here.
Huh?
I'm gonna pull you in the water.
What do you mean? I got your phone and shit.
Huh?
That's the whole point. I got your phone and shit.
Just set my stuff down. You ready?
How do I do it?
Hold on right here.
Where?
Grab it.
I'm grabbing it. Where's the jet at? Ooh, hey, hey, fight. Dude, this is gonna take off. Holy shit, I gotta hang on. Oh damn, I'm already going 30, bro. Huh? Yeah. I'll try something again. I'll try and like point it. Is it? Oh, fuck. Turn around now. Really? Fuck. I don't know if I got that. I can't fucking turn my body. You need to stay in front of me. I can't turn my body. You gotta try and stay in front of me.
What's so difficult?
I don't even want to ride it. That looks hard as fuck.
It's hard.
Dude, my balance is like a 2 out of 10, so I wouldn't even be able to stay on it. Look at this guy. Fuck. Damn, you all right? Yeah. Damn. Dude, you almost had that one.
Huh?
You had to lean a little farther. You almost had that one.
What?
You almost stayed on that one.
I know.
That was close.
My shoes, you have room for my shoes?
Yeah. You still got shoes on?
Huh?
I said, you still got shoes on?
What is that?
I don't know. Oh shit. Get on it. Fuck, I can't get this on video. You're behind me.
I think the car's a little dirty.
Probably.
It's been sitting for a year.
Oh, it has?
Yeah.
Fuck. Hold on. Just took a quick rip on the Morse Lake. Got my jet ski XB. We got to do some trailer maintenance. The boards are fucked. This thing flew off. Also just put a new wear ring on this Bad Johnson and rips now. No acceleration problems. Runs good. There's a fucking van. We got a wagon. We got to pull this cocksucker out of the fucking lake. Kawasaki stand-up. Pretty legit jet ski. I didn't get to ride it. I was kind of scared, to be honest. Probably gonna smack me. I can't stand. I have no balance. We had to bypass the ramp at Wolfie's, so we had to save 20 bucks just to get an hour in real quick. Thinking the concrete ran good. Cut out a few times. He fell off when it shut off. We gonna be able to get this cocksucker out of the water once we get it in there?
Yeah. Can I get up? Yeah. It floats.
It's leaning. Why is it leaning like that?
I don't know. Where at water at?
You think? Alright, how are we gonna do? There. Just back up a little farther. That's good. Just straighten it up. It's kind of straighten it up a little bit. My knee, trying to pull this thing out. Screwed my knee. Oh my god. Got it out. This thing's freaking heavy. It doesn't look that heavy, but this is gonna fall back. Alright, we got it. Holy gosh. Not bad. Took about 10 minutes. All to save about 40 bucks. Sometimes you gotta do that.
You take a turn.
It's really not worth it. Alright, take a pole turn. You vlog a little bit.
Jeez, dude.
Whew. That thing's a blast. Come on. Fuck, give me a steep ass spot. I'm helping. I'm helping, Bob.
Alright, dude. To the van, Bob. To the van. Alright, boys.
You did that last time.
Hey.
You fucking let go of it and it hit.
Hey, because I'm vlogging over here. You got mad if I hit the van. But hey, first rip on the SXR. Sick, dude. I love it. We're going to keep riding. But anyway, hey, PowerShift out, Bob.